In this lecture, let's see how to add logs and screenshot to the report. Okay, in previous example we have created test, right? Extend.create test of some test name, so it will take care of the report, right? So it returns extend test object. Okay, here create test method returns extend test class object. Okay, you can hold that object in extend test object. So using this extend test object, you can log the test information into the HTML report. Okay, so for that you need to hold the extend test object. Extend test equal to import the extend test class. Now by using this extend test object, that is test, so by using this test variable you can log the information to the extend report. Okay, now test dot log, so there are different methods. Okay, log, see status, so first parameter is status dot, so there are different parameters: status dot, debug, error, fail, fatal, info, pass, skip. So let's use based on your requirement. So status dot pass, and you can specify some message. So here let's give expected alert messages displayed. You can give any message based on your test case. Okay, or you can give info message, info, message. So you can give any status, right? Status dot past, status dot info. Okay, for failed test cases you can give status dot fail. Okay, now it will add these messages to the report. Okay, so in previous report we don't have any logs here, right? Okay, now let's execute the script and see the logs. Now run the script. Before running the script you need to start the Appium server. Now let's run the script. ExtentReport test.java class run as test.ng test. So app is open, performing actions. Test execution is completed successfully. Now let's refresh the project and see the report. So ExtentReport.html. Here you can see, so first log pass, it right symbol indicates pass. So the log message is expected alert message is displayed. Okay, this is info message. Okay, this is pass, this is info, so info message. Okay, So these two messages, we have given these two messages in the script, right? So test.log of status.pass expected alert message is displayed. Now test.log of status.info message. So these two messages are logged in the report. Okay, so in this way you can add log information against to each test in the report. Okay, now you can add screenshots to the same report as well. So generally we take the screenshot on test failure, right? We will configure extend report in such a way in framework. Okay, but I will explain in framework lectures, don't worry. For now, let's see how to add screenshot to the report. Okay, there are different ways to add screenshot to the report. Okay, you can add screenshot against complete test case level, or you can add screenshot against to each log level. Okay, so before adding the screenshot to the report, first you need to take the screenshot, right? Okay, go to your script, and here now let's add one more test case. TC alerts 2. Okay, in every test case you need to create test, right? So extend.create test, but it would be better to create object for extend test at global level. Okay, remove this extend test class. Okay. Now let's add one more test case for second alert long message. So let's copy this code. So it will perform tap action on second button and then print the alert message onto the console, and then click on OK button in the alert. Okay. Now here we don't flush the report, right? So we need to call extend.flush method at the end of last test, right? Copy this statement extend.flush and paste it at the end of last test case. Okay, now let's take the screenshot and add that screenshot to the report. Now after tapping on second button, alert message will be displayed, right? So after alert message is displayed, let's take the screenshot first. Okay, now to take the screenshot, first you need to create the path where you want to create the screenshot. Okay, now for that let's create the path first. System.get property of user.dir plus I want to place the screenshot inside screenshots folder, and then you can give any screenshot name. You can give a test case name as screenshot name. Okay, .png. Okay, so this is the path of screenshot. Let's hold that path in some string variable, path variable. Okay, now screenshot path is ready. Now to take the screenshot, we use a file. You can give any some reference variable equal to, using take screenshot method, take screenshot driver. Okay, dot get screenshot as. So before that you need to import the take screenshot class. Take screenshot, takes screenshot. Okay, now dot get screenshot as output type dot file. Okay, now we need to copy this screenshot to the path variable. For that, file utils dot copy file. Now source file, screenshot is the source file, destination is the path, right? New file of path. That's it. Now add throws declaration. That's it. So our screenshot is ready. So we have taken the screenshot of alert. Okay. Now we need to append this screenshot to the report. So how can we append this screenshot to the report? So there are two different ways. So we can add the screenshot at test case level and we can add the screenshot at log level. Okay, now first let's see the screenshot at test case level. Okay, test dot, there is one method add screenshot, add screen capture from path. So here you need to pass the path of that screenshot. That's it. Okay, now the screenshot will be appended at the end of test. So in this bottom section, so the screenshot will be appended in this report. Now let's run the script. So existing report will be overridden, so just rename that report ExtentReport 2. Okay, now let's run the script. New report with ExtentReport.html will be created, right? Now let's start the server. Here if you want to add log information in this test case, you can add the logs as well. Here expected long message is displayed, some message. Okay, now these two logs also inserted at the second test case. Now let's run the script. Run as our test-ng test. This time screenshot will be appended to the report. App is opened and performing actions. Executing first test case. Now second test case. Here taking the screenshot. Okay, execution is completed. So two test cases are passed. Okay. Now let's refresh the project. You can see the report ExtentReport.html. Open the report. Here in second test case we have added the screenshot to the test case, right? So you can see here this is the screenshot of alert message. Click on that screenshot. Okay, So this is the screenshot appended to the second test case. Okay, so you can also add the screenshot at log level. So you can add screenshot at this log or this log. So you can add the screenshots at log level as well. Now let's do how to add the screenshot at log level. Test dot log. So log method accepts, you can see the fourth method. So it accepts status, details and media entity model provider. So that is you can pass the screen capture third parameter as screen capture. Now let's use fourth method. First parameter is status dot. Generally we will append the screenshot for failed test cases, right? So you can use, for now you can use anything. Let's use a fail in this case. Details screenshot. You can give any message. Now here you need to provide the screenshot. So using, there is one class called media entity builder. So media entity builder dot create screen capture from path. So you can use second method. Now here you need to pass the path of screenshot. That's it. Finally you need to call build here. Build. Okay, that's it. It will append the screenshot for this log. So log message is screenshot. Okay, log status is fail and this is the screenshot. Okay, now if we run the script, in this case screenshot will be appended to the log. So let's run the script and see the screenshot at log level. Okay, run the Appium server before starting the test. Now before running the script, just rename the existing report. Report 3. Now let's run the script. This time screenshot will be appended at log level and test case level also. App is open and then performing actions. Executing first test case, then started second test case. Here taking the screenshot. So 2 test cases are completed successfully. Now let's refresh the project. Refresh the project. You can see the report, ExtentReport.html. Open in the browser. You can observe here for second test case is failed, right? Because we have used status.fail at log. Okay, now the screenshot is appended here at log level. So this is the screenshot at log level and this is the screenshot at test case level. Okay, so this is how you can generate extent report with logs or screenshots. Okay, in framework lectures, let's see how to separate this code and make it work for all test cases in the suite. Okay, in next lecture let's see how to assign different categories to the different test cases. Okay, thank you.